Hello friends. So in the last video, out of this dashboard, we have fulfilled two things. That is, we have applied this one white box and these two image. Now it's time to start putting the analytics into it, the visualization thing into it. So in this video, we will start with a very basic visualization technique that is called cards in this Power BI. So cards are these things: total medal, gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. They give a single number as an output. Depending upon whatever the filters and the slicers we have applied, it will give you the simple numbers, just one final number as a output. So these kind of a thing, that total medal, gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal, these are called cards. So in this video, we will see how to apply these cards into our visualization. Let me go to my project. Now, in this, once I am out of anything, any of the visualization thing, to get out of this, I need to click somewhere in the blank canvas. Once I'm out, I'll click on the blank canvas. Now I can select any of these tools. In the visualization pane, in the build visual, I can select any of these tools. Once I'm out of this, any of the selection, to get out of this, I need to click on somewhere in the blank canvas, and then I can apply this card. I can select this one, two, three. This is card. Once I select this, something like this will come. And let me delete it again and come it again. Once I'll select this will come. Now what can I do? It will have one thing in this build visual called fields. This is where I need to put my data, what I want to put here. So I was looking for that how many number of medals that got won. So what I will do is I will expand these fields in the athletes fact. I will expand this in the athletes fact. Open this. I will drag this medal column to this field, and by default it is giving me the first medal. I'm not interested in the first medal. I want the count of the medal. So it is saying that there are 58,000, 58.12 thousand medals, but in my data I know that there are so many blank rows also. So that's why for this slicer I want to apply a filter also. So I'm saying count only those rows where I want to apply that filter on the middle thing. So that's why I'm dragging this middle field here also, and I'll say that select all except this blank and this thing. So now see, this card is giving me the count of medals because I have selected count of medal here only for the instances where the medal is not blank and not this. Medal is either bronze, gold, or silver. It is giving me the count of those numbers only. Right? So this means this is giving the total number of medal that has been given in Olympic history till now, because there is no other filter has not been applied. So this card is giving me the total medal kind of a thing. Let me reshape it by dragging it like this so that it should look like a card. Let me arrange somewhere here. Agree? Similarly, I want to one more thing, few things that we want to do. So this is the applying the card, right? We have, let me do it again. Let me delete it so that we can start it from the scratch again. I have selected the something in the blank canvas. I went to the visualization pane and selected this card. Once I selected the card, it is asking me to give a field name. So what I want this medal. So I have dragged this medal to this field. I can drag it here, right? And I'm not interested in the first medal. I'm interested in the count of the medal. So in this, in the bottom, I expanded it and selected the count of the medal. So it gave me the number of 58,000 medals has been won till now. But this is not the correct picture. I want to discard the places where the medal column is the blank in the value. So here the filter will come into the picture. So in the filter, I will drag the middle column again here, and I'll select all and untick the blank and this not wanted value. So do you see that to create one visualization thing, we have used fields, visualizations, and filters, all the three things together, so that we can come out with the exact information that we are actually looking for. So this is all about the setting up a card, right? Now I can beautify it. Beautify is the thing that we should always do, so that my user should get a clear picture. I don't know why my system is so slow today. There might be so many things I might be opening. I'll take it as a card. I'll drag it somewhere here. Now, to beautify this is something is that we have initiated a card. Now, I need to beautify it. For beautify it, I will go into this inside the visualization. Now, there is no use of filter. We have already applied the filter. There is no use of field. Now, in the visualization, in the second part, the middle one, that is the format your visual. I'll click into that. Now there are two options. There are two things in this card. One thing is this 15.25 thousand. That is called call out value. Call out value. I want that call out value should be, let's suppose, blue in color. Size is 45 is too high. Let's suppose I want it at a 30. Something like this. You can put any of the uh, color but what you want. Display unit, whether I want something to be in the in the thousands or millions or something, that I can apply, or I can leave it to the power there, that you select what is the best unit to display this number, any decibel number that we want. I've kept that also as a automatic for to get it done by the Power BI. And there is one category label. Category label is something that is coming at the bill of this, that is getting the saying as count of metal. I don't want to take this. I'll remove this. Instead of giving this count of the medal, what I want to do, I want to put a title over it. So in the general, first of all, I can select the properties that we will do later when we will finalize all the things. Then we will arrange everything in the in a calculated way of arranging the field, these elements. Now in the title, I can turn on the title first. Then I can write a text that what it should have. We know that we have applied the filter in such a way that it will give me the count of total metal. So I'll put a some title here. Let me put the count as 15, because I have taken the call out value as light blue. I'll give this a color as dark blue. I'll keep it a bold. I'll keep it as a center. Let me take it a bit smaller again. So now we have applied a title and everything to it. So this is all about the title. Let me take it away. Then we have the effect also. Currently it is having a background color of white. If I'll turn off the background, it will get become the transparent thing, and it will take the color whatever it is there at the background, at the background at the, of the canvas color. That was the off white. So I don't want this. I want to take this as a white, so I'll turn out my background as a white, right? If you want to put a visual border out of it, so I can put the visual border also. Let me put a visual border into it. I'll turn on the visual border. As I have kept blue as a theme for this box, this card, I will take the border color also as a blue, because this is my final border, which might look good. So which should look good. So that's why in this particular thing, I will put the rounded corner also. In this, I'll put the rounded corner also, but not much, but just 15 dB. You can choose whatever you want. You can apply some shadow also of this, so it will give you a effect that it is something 3D kind of a effect will get. So this is the one card which we have made, which is saying about the total medal. I want one more card that should count the gold medal, one card for the bronze, and one card for the silver. So I need to apply this activity 4 times to make this card different. Again, after selecting in somewhere in the canvas, I will select the card. Then I will go to the field. The same way, the only difference which is going to happen is in the filter. So here again, I will put the field as medal. I am not interested in the first medal. I'm interested in the count of the medal. And this time, I want you to apply the filter on the medal only on the gold. So this will give me the count of the medal where the medal is equal to gold. I'll keep it here. The same way, the one thing is whatever we have, yeah, this is the important one. Whatever settings, whatever formats that I have applied into the one card can be copied and pasted it here also. How to do this? Just select the first card. Then in the home ribbon, there is something called Format Painter. Select that Format Painter. Once you will click on this Format Painter, your cursor will become like a brush. And now when I will put that brush into my new card, this will also become something like this. So many other things are already done like the earlier one. Few things have left that I can already do. I can put the titles here manually as gold medal. Right. Earlier the total medal was blue in color, so gold medal I can select a different color, maybe golden, maybe something like this, right? And in the visual, the call out value also should have some pinch of gold, so I'll put something like this, gold maybe. So now we have created two cards with the same thing. One is giving me the total count of medal, and another is giving me the count of gold medal. We will arrange them in the later stage when we'll arrange all the things together. Right. The only difference in the total medal and gold medal is for the filter. Right. I can apply. I can do one more call. I can do one more. I can put one more card here for the silver. Again thing, I'll do it in a faster way this time. Instead of first, I'll put the count. Then I'll put the in the filter pane. Instead of selecting and in the other thing, I'll select the silver. Right. I'll rearrange it. I'll keep it here. I'll copy the this format. I'll paste it here. I will change the title of it. Instead of gold, now I want the silver medal here. I don't want to keep it blue. Silver, let me take the, for the silver, let me take the color as green. More color. I'll take it as clean. It as green. And then similarly for callout value also, I want the color as light green. The color is is always your preference, what you want to make. This is my preference of color. You might choose something else, right? So here is the card for silver medal. Similarly, I will apply one more card, and that will give you the bronze medals count. Here again in the field, I will drag the medal. Instead of first medal, I will take it a count of medal, and in the filter again I will take this filter and I will select the bronze only. Let me reshape this card, drag it there with everybody else. My system is a bit slow today. Yes. Right, and I will apply the same format which is there in this total medal here also. I'll take the format painter. After clicking on format painter, my cursor has become as a brush. I will put that here. Here again, I will go to the title. I'll put that as this as bronze medal. I'll change that. I'll change the color of the text here again as maybe red, and the callout value also will get changed color as a light red maybe. Right. So now this is the cards we have taken four cards which is giving the total medal, gold medal, silver medal, and the bronze medal. The only difference in these cards are just one filter. In the first one, I have selected all the filters, all the medals where there is no null value and no unwanted values. Only the gold, bronze, and silver. In the second one, I have selected only gold. In the second one, third one, I have selected only the silver. And in the fourth one, I have selected only the bronze. And then I have beautified them a bit. We will arrange them very soon when we will give the final touch to the dashboard. Then we will arrange them in a better way so that they will look like something like this. Here also, you might be surprised why these values are different from the our dashboard. It is just because it has applied the filter of 1896 to 2000, and here we haven't applied any filter on the year. That's why there's nothing else. So good guys, we have applied one kind of a insight in the our dashboard, so people can see the total number of medal, gold medal, bronze medal, silver level at just one go. Right? So that was all in the cards. In the next video, we will see one more different kind of a visualization tool, right? Visualization technique, I must say. Till then, thank you.